In this video, I'll show you how to sell on Amazon as a third party. Alright, so setting up a seller account on Amazon is pretty simple. What you want to do is go to sell.amazon.com. And on the top right here, you have two options. Either you're going to log in or you're going to sign up. So if we don't have an account, an Amazon account that is, you need to click on sign up and then create your Amazon account at the bottom here. And then you just need to fill out this little form here and you'll have an Amazon account and it should take you to the next step. For me, I'm just going to sign in and then you should be presented with this screen here. And this pretty much sums up everything that you need to do. So let's click on get started. So now it'll start by asking us where our business is registered. Now next you need to choose what type of business you have. And if you don't have a registered business, just tick individual and hit save and continue. And now you need to make sure you have these documents for the following form that's about to come. So once you have all these, hit I confirm and then agree and continue. Alright, so this part is pretty simple. All you need to do is fill out the exact information on these forms. You won't be able to fill out the residential address section until you upload your either internet bill or any type of proof of address. And once you've filled everything out, hit next and it'll take you to the store page where you will just name your store and set up all your store information. And then lastly, they'll ask you for some other verifications like your identity number, zip code, proof of residence, and so forth. And that's really all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.